JuneBug will be here in about 5 minutes. It's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. Today is January 10th and today is very exciting because we have a new Highland heifer coming in today. My last video I was getting her stall ready, so if you have not seen that I will have a link down in the description box. But she's supposed to be here in a couple of hours. I'm currently outside feeding everybody. I'm about to feed the cows and turn the horses out and everything. Give this video a big thumbs up if you're super excited to see JuneBug and to meet her. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button if you would like to see more of my future videos, and if you turn on the notification bell and let me know that you did that down in the comments, you will have a chance to win a notification shout out here on one of my YouTube videos. It is now like 11:30 a.m. ish, something like that. JuneBug will be here in about 5 minutes, so I'll see y'all shortly once we get her all situated in her stall. Alright y'all, here she is. JuneBug. She's looking at Southern right now. She's super sweet and calm. She's already halter trained, which is really good, so I have to be sure to keep that up with her. She's 7 months old. June, I want them to see your face. She looks so big on camera. There we go. You're so cute. Good girl, Southern. She said that she loved to be brushed, so that's really good. Good girl. It's okay. Good. Good girl. That's the first time I touched her. Well, I touched her nose whenever the woman brought her here, but that's the first time I pet her. Good girl. Good girl. She's already letting me pet her. I love her already. I love her face. Oh my goodness. She's gonna be a little nervous since she's in a new environment and new people and all. It'll just take a little bit of time, but she's already let me brush her and rub all over her and everything, so it's pretty quick that she let me do all of that. So she's doing really, really good. Alright y'all, it is now Wednesday night. June is doing really, really good. We actually moved her in with Nala, our other heifer, yesterday, and they're doing really well together. I just got back from the feed store, so I'm fixing to clean out what was JuneBug's stall right here so I can put our hay in the barn. And we actually have 2 more heifers coming to our farm on January 30th. And they are older, they are 2 years old, so we're super, super excited. This will be it for a while as far as getting new cows. Probably until we calve our own. So we're super excited. I am going to be doing a video soon about answering y'all's questions on the Highlands and our cows and everything. And I've just been so busy I haven't gotten around to, getting all the questions together. I did ask for y'all's questions over on my Instagram, but if you'd like to ask any more questions in the comments on this video, I'll be sure to go through the comments on here. I'm looking for questions as well. But one of the most popular questions, of course, is what we're using our cows for. And all the cows and our bull, they're our pets, and we're also using them for breeding. We love our Highlands so much. They are so sweet and so calm. We love them to death. Alright, so first I'm going to shut this back gate, and then I'm going to take these panels down, and I'm going to set the hay in the middle of the barn. I'm actually going to leave this stall up because it's supposed to be cold in a few days, so in case I need it for the horses, I'm just going to leave it for now. That way I can open that back gate and they can come in if they want. I cannot speak. I'm just going to set the hay right here in this little square because I don't really have enough room in the feed room and I can't block that doorway or that one, so I'm just going to set it right here, but not too far this way so it doesn't get wet from the rain. There's my girl. That's my precious baby. Mwah. I love her so much. You are the best. Oh my goodness. I love you. I love you. Do you want a treat? Do you want to? Oh, you smell peppermint. I had peppermints. You haven't had a peppermint in so long. I'll go get you a cookie. Do you want a cookie? Do you want a cookie? Got your cookie. These are the Dumore Baker's Bites, or the apple flavored ones. Will you smile for them? Look, smile! Smile! I don't know if y'all can see her or not. Smile! Good girl. Good girl. You're a good girl. Oh my goodness. I don't have any more. Don't have any more. Will you give me a kiss? Kiss? Kiss. Give Lee some too. Oops, I dropped one. It's a good bunny. Blue Jean, don't run him off. You want another one? Me smile? Smile. Smile, B. Smile. Good. Good girl. Okay, what are you getting? Yeah, I can hear you. I'm loading hay in the barn, so I'll put my business. up yet. I'm gonna hurry up. No, I fed up this morning. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I hope that y'all are super excited about our Highland cows like we are. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and be sure to click on that subscribe button to see more of my future videos if you have not already. And if you would like a chance to win a notification shout out on my channel, all you have to do is click on the notification bell and just let me know that you did that down in the comments below. I'm going to have today's notification shout out up there on the screen, and today's shout out is for Lainey Stewart. She said, "Love your videos. I've been watching them for a while and I turned the notification bell on. Have a good day." Thank you so much for your support, Lainey. I really appreciate it. I appreciate every single one of you very much. I'll see y'all really soon with another video. Bye.